The kitten, the puppy, and the baby duck. In a meadow so green, by a bubbling brook, lived three little friends in a cozy nook. A kitten, a puppy, and a baby duck, each one as playful as they could pluck. The kitten so fluffy, with fur soft as cream, would chase the sunbeams that made her gleam. She pounced on leaves and batted the air, a tiny explorer without a care. The puppy would wiggle his tail a blur, with a bark that said, "Come play with her." He'd fetch a stick and dig up a hole, then run in sorrow, his favorite goal. The baby duck waddled with feet so wide, splishing and splashing at water's